Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Solana from KuCoin to Coinbase in 2025. If you're looking to move your Solana tokens between exchanges, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Why do this? Well, Coinbase offers great storage options and ease of use, while KuCoin might have better trading deals. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both KuCoin and Coinbase, and that your Solana is in your KuCoin wallet. Always double-check that you're using the correct network. Solana transactions only work on the Solana blockchain, so avoid any mix-ups to prevent lost funds. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Solana balance. Click on Withdraw next to Solana. This will open a form where you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. In the withdrawal form, you'll see a field for the recipient's address. Copy your Coinbase Solana wallet address from the Coinbase app or website. Be extremely careful here, as sending to the wrong address could mean goodbye to your crypto forever. Step 3. Enter the amount of Solana you want to send. Remember to check the network fee. It varies based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed on the Solana network. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary. Once it's done, check your Coinbase account to see your Solana arrive. A quick tip: always use the official apps or websites to minimize risks, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Solana from KuCoin to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading.